The meaning of a healthy lifestyle. Living a healthy lifestyle means making choices each day that improve your physical, mental, and emotional well-being. It is not a one-time event or short-term effort. It is a lifelong commitment to taking care of your body and mind. At its core, a healthy lifestyle involves eating nutritious foods, staying physically active, managing stress, getting enough sleep, and avoiding harmful habits like smoking or excessive drinking. But it goes even deeper than that. It is about achieving balance and making intentional decisions that support your overall happiness and longevity. When you live healthily, you are not just preventing disease, you are enhancing your quality of life and increasing your chances of living a longer, more fulfilling life. The journey begins with awareness. Once you understand what your body needs to function at its best, you can start making gradual changes that lead to sustainable, long-term results. 1. Nutrition, fueling your body right. One of the most important pillars of a healthy lifestyle is nutrition. Your body needs a wide range of nutrients to function properly, including carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. A balanced diet that includes fruits, vegetables, lean meats, whole grains, and healthy fats helps ensure that you are getting everything your body needs. Avoiding heavily processed foods, sugary drinks, and excess salt can also reduce your risk of chronic diseases like diabetes, heart disease, and high blood pressure. Instead, focus on clean whole foods, foods that come from the earth or nature, rather than from a factory. Eating smaller portions, staying hydrated, and practicing mindful eating are also key habits to develop. Remember, food is more than just fuel, it can also be healing. Natural ingredients like turmeric, garlic, ginger, and leafy greens have powerful health benefits that go beyond basic nutrition. Taking time to plan meals and cook at home can make a big difference in your overall health journey. 2. Movement and exercise. Keeping the body active. Regular physical activity is essential for maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Exercise not only helps control weight, but it also boosts your mood, strengthens your heart, supports your joints, and improves sleep. You do not need a gym membership or fancy equipment to get started. Even a 30-minute daily walk, home workouts, or simple stretching routines can offer incredible health benefits. The key is to find activities you enjoy, whether it is dancing, cycling, swimming, hiking, or yoga. Enjoyable workouts are easier to stick with over time. Strength training a few times a week helps build muscle and maintain bone density, especially as you age. Cardiovascular exercises like running or brisk walking help keep your heart and lungs healthy. Physical movement also plays a big role in mental health. It releases endorphins, which are natural mood boosters, and helps reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression. Staying active throughout the day, even with small movements like standing up frequently or taking the stairs, adds up to better health. 3. Mental wellness and healthy habits. Mental and emotional health are just as important as physical health. A truly healthy lifestyle includes practices that support your inner peace and emotional resilience. Managing stress is one of the biggest challenges in today's fast-paced world, but it is also crucial to your health. Chronic stress can weaken your immune system, disrupt sleep, and increase your risk for many illnesses. To manage it, find time for relaxation and activities that bring you joy. Meditation, deep breathing exercises, journaling, and mindfulness practices can help you center yourself and reduce daily stress. Getting enough sleep, at least 7 to 9 hours per night, is also essential, as it helps your brain and body recharge. Other small yet powerful habits include spending time in nature, nurturing healthy relationships, and disconnecting from screens regularly. Building a morning or evening routine that focuses on self-care can enhance mental clarity and emotional balance, setting a positive tone for your entire day. 4. Sustainability and long-term commitment. The most important aspect of a healthy lifestyle is making it sustainable. It is not about being perfect or following a strict set of rules. It is about making smarter choices every day that add up over time. Long-term success comes from consistency, not intensity. Don't try to change everything overnight. Instead, set small, achievable goals and gradually build on them. For example, start by drinking more water each day, Then add a 15-minute walk to your routine and slowly improve your meals. Celebrate your progress and be kind to yourself during setbacks. They are a normal part of any journey. Tailor your lifestyle to suit your personal needs, preferences, and cultural background. What works for someone else may not work for you, and that is okay. The goal is to find a routine that fits into your life and brings you joy. When healthy living becomes a part of who you are, not just something you do, you will experience greater energy resilience, confidence, and a deep sense of well-being that lasts a lifetime. Thanks for watching my video. See you next time, and stay safe. Bye-bye.